We don't talk about trauma, we don't resolve it, and we keep up conflict. This is why we're so sick. So in case the money tiger is gone, let's accept that, and you would have the capacity to resolve conflict and to sound so esoteric, but the inner work to deal with your emotions. I don't even know if there would be a health system necessary like we know it today.
I
Don't you
agree.
think?
No, I wholeheartedly agree. And I think that as I have gone down my own personal journey, as we discussed previously, I've increasingly become aware that I believe that our health status is a result of our environment, whether that is our external environment, whether that is a result of our internal environment. I think that we create our health status and we can manifest our reality to a certain extent. And we've lost sight of that. And so because we're stuck on the bottom rung trying to survive, our attention is towards, I just need a quick fix. I'm just going to rely on the expert. I'm going to rely on the drug. I'm going to treat the symptom as opposed to the root cause. And I think what is fascinating about Bitcoin is we flip that on its head. Like instead of being reactive, we become proactive. Well, the same thing. We're able to focus rather than on the symptom, treating the symptom and just getting by. We start focusing on the root cause. And I think what we're going to become increasingly aware of as we transition into this 2140 is that health is a result of our internal state. Health is a result of how we think about ourselves, the traumas. And so as we have more capacity, because life is getting easier, we can spend more time in contemplation. And it is through that contemplation that we move through these internal inner states. And we start moving through how our childhood traumas, our inner wounds. And as we move through those inner wounds, I think we're going to move through a lot of these health issues because I think they've been exacerbated over the last little while as our capacity has narrowed and we've become hyperfixated on survival. And I very much agree. I think if we were to fast forward 120 years, I'd be willing to bet that we don't have a healthcare system like the one we see today. Instead, we'd have guidance on how to look inwards more effectively, how to deepen our relationship with the self, and how to work on that inner healing that I think we're starting to see increasingly throughout the world in these small little pockets, one of those pockets being Bitcoiners.